Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Jessica, and in today's video I'm just going to share with you a quick product review. So the product that I'm going to share with you today is not only eco-friendly, but it is absolutely adorable, and I have been loving using these in my laundry routine. So these are called Woolly Heroes, and they are wool dryer balls, and I'm going to tell you a little bit more about them, how they are made, and how I use these in my laundry routine. Woolly Heroes are a set of 6 animal-themed, eco-friendly dryer balls. They are handcrafted from 100% New Zealand wool, and they are handmade by artisans in the Himalayan Valley of Kathmandu through fair trade. You can find these on Amazon, and they retail for about $23 for the entire set, and I will have the link down in the description box in case you are interested. So these are just the most adorable things. You get a penguin. You also get, I think this is maybe a wolf, and then there is a raccoon, and for all the owl lovers out there, there is an owl, and I think this is a sloth, and you also get this adorable little koala. You also get directions as well as a drawstring bag to store all of your dryer balls inside of. So the dryer balls are designed to speed up your drying time by about 20 to 40%, and they are a great alternative to dryer sheets, which are filled with harmful chemicals. So right now I'm just taking some sheets out of the washer that just got done washing, and I'm going to put them in the dryer, and I'm also going to show you my favorite way to use the dryer balls. So the dryer balls will last you about 1,000 loads, so you will save money overall while helping to protect the environment and also yourself from the harmful chemicals that are inside of dryer sheets. As you can see, I have them stored in this little bin that I have inside of my laundry room. I keep them in here with my essential oils, and I like to use this lavender essential oil, especially when I'm doing my sheets and my towels. All you want to do is splash about 3 to 4 drops of your favorite essential oil onto each of the balls. Once you have done that, you just toss them into the dryer like I'm doing right now. So as they roll around in the dryer drum, they get in between the clothes to help absorb moisture and help with static cling. So not only do these things work great, they just put a smile on my face every time I use them. I mean, they're just so cute, and they just make doing laundry fun. So if you are in the market for a set of dryer balls, I highly recommend these, and like I mentioned, I will have the link down in the description box. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you guys in the next.